Hey, what's going on, guys? Eric here from Eric and Myles, and today we're going to be looking at Portra 160, also known as the most mediocre film stock there is of all time. It's known by that by me. So me and my buddy Joe went up to this one place in Hudson we know of, and we met our friend Torin. All three of us were shooting film there. I'm not going to include their film shots though because they took forever to scan theirs, and I didn't want to wait to post this video. So yeah, let's jump into this video.
When I was a little kid, I used my word. I haven't changed it.
I think one of my friends uses the f2 as his.
I was shooting on my Canon A1 with the 2.8 28mm lens I have. It's really the only lens I have for my Canon A1. I should probably get another lens, probably a 50mm. But, you know, I'm just lazy. And this is probably the favorite shot of the day, and that should say something about how good of a photography day it was. It's not really the greatest shot ever. I've been taking a lot of shadow photos with film. I don't know, it's just something I like to do, I guess. I don't know why, really. But this shot, it's alright. I mean, it's not the best thing there is, but it's also not too bad.
That's a lot higher than I remember.
Well, yeah, because it's like 8 feet lower. Look at the wall. So fun.
Oh yeah, I feel like it was
Like floppy disks will never make a comeback.
no.
If I had a zoom lens. Talk to him, take off.
Take off.
This is also one of my favorite shots of the day. It's a photo of three fishermen sitting on a log, and it's favorite because I asked if I could take their photo, and I had never done that before. I just walked up and I'm like, is it cool if I take a photo? They're like, yeah, sure. So I did it. I don't know why, I just don't like doing that. It kind of just gives me like the, kind of makes me feel uncomfortable. Like if someone did that to me, I know how uncomfortable I am when people do it to me. Now I'm like, sure, why not? But I used to be like, when I wasn't a photographer, I was like, okay, kind of weird. But yeah, thought that was kind of cool.
Which has like all these studios and stuff like that.
Got it? Nice. Yeah. No, look at me. Yeah.
All right, and that's the video. We're out there for probably about an hour. Shot about 25 shots. Some of them I didn't include because they were complete garbage. But I mean, Portra 160 isn't the worst thing there is. It's not bad by any means, but just like for how expensive it is, it's really hard justifying this film. I get that it's porcelain, so it's for skin tones and stuff, but even then, I didn't really think the skin tones were that amazing. I really like Portra 400 and I like Fuji 400. I would choose either of those films over this in a heartbeat. It's just not really a question. So overall, I'm glad I tested this film. Probably won't be shooting it again, but yeah, that's the video. Here are my 2 favorite shots from today. The one of the shadows and the one of the 3 fishermen. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys liked this film video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool or helpful. Stay tuned for more film videos. Check out our other older film videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.